Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'll put my usual video on the screen showing you how to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified of all of my new uploads. I have not done a PR haul, I think in a year or two, maybe longer. These used to be super popular on YouTube, and then people just stopped doing them, or I don't see them anymore. But I just thought, why not share some new makeup, skincare stuff? I have nail polish, skincare, I have everything, you guys. So I thought, why not just share it with you? A lot of this stuff I've already used before, or I've been using, so I can actually give you reviews. I like watching these, especially when people have actually used the products, because then I can get beauty reviews also, and it's just kind of fun to see what people are sent. So I just thought we would just hang out and talk about makeup and skincare like old school style. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's really that old school, but let's jump into it. Any other updates I want to tell you? If I think of them, I'll let you know. This will be like a chit chat. Let's hang out and have some fun. All right, Amorepacific. You guys know I love their skincare. It's a little pricey. Full disclosure, I did tell you it's a PR haul. So all of this stuff was sent to me for free, but I'm not obligated to tell you great things. This is not sponsored. I can trash on things. I can tell you if it's great. I'm always real with you here. If you're an oldie but a goldie, you know that. Newbies, just letting you know. I trash talk things, and I also tell you when things are great and everything in between. I love Amorepacific. I don't think I've ever said anything bad about their skincare. My skin loves their products. It's very expensive though. Like this is, I'll show you close-ups of everything. This is the Time Response Skin Reserve Intensive Cream. I've used this for quite a while. I'm pretty sure the last time I checked, this was $200, $250. My skin loves it. It is like putting whipped cream for skin on your face. It is just amazing. It moisturizes my skin. I use it morning and night. I don't even know if you're supposed to do that, but I do. It says extracted through dual infusion technology. This luxurious rich texture cream with advanced Chirono tea helps improve present and future signs of aging. So whatever that means. I love it, you guys. Oh, I didn't realize that Amorepacific is made in Korea. Interesting. I think I told you that before. I'm just remembering it. I've been using this for a while. I love it. And when I say a while, I've been using this because they've sent this to me before. I would say for 7 months now. I've also been using another cream they sent me for almost a year. Let me go get that one. I love that one too. Hang on. This one is the Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. This is the one. I'm almost done with it. I'll show you close-ups. I love this cream, you guys. It does have a light scent, but it's not super overpowering. That's kind of what I like about their skincare. It is scented a little bit, but it's not overpowering like floral or anything. It just smells kind of fresh. I love it. I love this one. I put this on my neck. I put this on my chest area, and it just makes my skin feel moisturized. Not super firming, but just moisturized and supple. I love their skincare. And this is the Time Responsive Skin Reserve Cream. Now this one I haven't tried yet, so I will have to update you on this. I'll probably start this one as I finish the Youth Revolution, but I'm gonna be repurchasing this myself. You guys know I always tell my oldies but my goldies, I'm kind of a skincare snob. I spend way too much money on skincare outside of the skincare that's sent to me for free, so I will be repurchasing this. I'll leave a link to all this stuff down below. Next we have an item from Belief, but I'm pretty sure this is an Avon product. So it says, what is it? It's called The Garden. Oh, it's a perfume. It retails for $45. It has sparkling citrus, dewy spring blossoms wrapped in musk for an unforgettable fragrance with a bright, buoyant feeling. I love these descriptions because I'm horrible at describing perfume. So the name of the perfume is called The Garden, but I think Belief is like a new line. Yeah, I think it's a line that Avon started up. So let's smell it. I don't think I've ever tried an Avon perfume. How does the top come off? Oh, there we go. You pull it off, Nikki? Hello. This is going to be interesting because I don't usually like floral scents, and the fact that this is called Garden. But it says, oh, that's nice. That's not floral at all. It's very sweet. It smells like it says like sweet citrus. but it's musky. That's interesting. I wonder why they called it Garden. Maybe Belief is the line and then Garden is just the name of this perfume. I don't know. Oh yeah, that smells good. I like that. And I like the packaging. How often do you see a yellow perfume bottle? That's pretty. Thanks, Avon, for sending that to me. I always tell you guys, I feel like Avon's really underrated on YouTube. We should do like a one brand review on some Avon products because I have quite a few of their products. I feel like nobody really talks about Avon. I remember when my mom used to go to work and women would sell it at her job. I think like back in the day, you only could buy it from people that sold it. But now you can just buy Avon online. People still sell it from what you guys have told. You guys told me this. I think some of you guys actually sell Avon, but you still also... you can still buy it from people, but also I think now you can just go online and buy it. So I'll leave a link to this down below. Thanks, Avon. All right, next up we have, this bag is super cute from Sally Hansen. I wish I could reuse this for something else. I don't know, like a lunch bag. I just think the bag is super cute. But we have, it's their, oh, this is new. It's their Miracle Gel Color. So step one, I think you do the shiny, like, top, oh, do you do the top coat first? Oh, no. All right, so you do the color first. These are all the gel colors. And then step two, you do the shiny top coat. I love a shiny top coat. I bought a matte top coat from Essie. I don't know how I feel about it. Do you guys prefer shiny top coats or mattes? Let me know in the comments down below. The matte looked cool. I just am used to like having like a super shiny top coat. But these colors are really pretty. This, I'm gonna show you close-ups. This purple one is my favorite. It looks like galaxy purple mixed with like gray and lilac. But we have some glitters. Ooh, this purple looks nice too, but this one has more of like a gray undertone. And then a mauve pink and then a pale pink. So cool. I'm gonna give these a try. If you guys have tried these, let me know. What should I do with this bag? I don't know. You guys let me know. Should we do a giveaway of the bag or something? This bag is super cute. I don't want to just recycle it. I want to use it for something else. And I love the color. Like, how often do you see orange in a bag? Oh, and you carry it like this. Yeah, let me know if you have some ideas of what I can do with this bag. I think it's really cute. Now, you guys know Eyelure is one of my favorite eyelash brands. I was going to say drugstore eyelash brands, but it's just one of my favorite in general. I don't get on camera without wearing fake lashes, you guys. That's just how I roll. I love lashes. I always have. And they sent me this wonderful package. Look at how nice this is. I'll show you close up. So they sent me the Luxe Silk, which is one of my favorite lines they do. The Wispy Lights, and then the Definition. Those are some like va va voom lashes. And one of the things I love about Eyelure is that they usually come with the eyelash glue. And I've been using their like self-adhesive lashes. You guys, those are bomb. The lashes, they don't require any glue. They literally just stick onto your lash line. You can, I think it says you can reuse them like 10 or 15 times. I'll link them down below. I love them. I don't get 10 to 15 uses though. I think the last one I got like 5 uses out of it, but I love them. And then they also have this new, I think this is new, the Lash Adhesive Eyeliner. They have it in black. What is it? It says use with any false lash, smooth application. Oh, so instead of using glue, you can use eyeliner. Like, fake lashes are getting really high tech and I'm here for it. And then the clear, oh, so there's black and clear. Ooh, I'll have to try that. And then what is this thing? Oh, and they have a little mirror. I love this little kit. Thanks, Eyelure, for sending this to me. I love their lashes. I've just always been a fan. It says, say goodbye to glue and hello to line and lash. Okay, so you literally put the liner on and then the lash will stick to the liner. That's pretty cool. And then you have your liner done too. I love that. If you've tried this, let me know. I will try it and keep you posted. This is one of the things I haven't tried yet. I've tried their lashes for years and I have tried their self-adhesive lashes, which I love, but I haven't tried the lash liner pin thing. All right, next up from First Aid Beauty, we have their Facial Radiance Dark Spot Serum and their Facial Radiance Pads. I did a full review on almost every product I've ever tried from First Aid Beauty in 2019 or 2020. I'll leave a link to it down below. So if you have a question on a First Aid Beauty product, I probably reviewed it in that video. I did review these pads. I really like I used to use these on my body. I don't know if you guys remember, but pre-pregnancy, I had really bad it was almost like a sun rash on my chest. Every time I go in the sun, if I don't put sunscreen on, I get these little bumps on my chest and my forehead, and I would use these, and it would help with that to help relieve some of the inflammation. And then also I would use these after the gym because I get really sweaty at the gym. Oh my God, I miss going to the gym, you guys. Gyms have been closed in Los Angeles basically since the beginning of 2020. They closed down in March. They opened up for like 2 weeks in June, and they've been closed since. Now, some gyms are like opening outdoors, and I need, like, postpartum, I had my baby 2 months ago. I need to get back into a workout routine. I miss it so much. Really, the only working out I've been doing are like a couple YouTube videos here or there, and walking, but I want to work out. And this just reminds me, because I used to put this in my gym bag and I loved it for that. And then I really like this dark spot serum. I haven't had many dark spots. Pregnancy transformed my skin. If you're into like pregnancy updates and like my birth vlog, oh, I posted the birth vlog. So if you're interested in videos like that, I'll link them down below. But my skin early pregnancy was awful. I was getting hormonal acne all over my lower chin. And then I would say, like, after month 2, my skin has been like some of the best skin I've ever had in my entire life. And even it's going into postpartum. So I haven't really needed to use a dark spot serum, but back when I had my acne scarring before my chemical peels, I really like this. So I'll leave the link to these down below. Thanks, First Aid Beauty. I really like First Aid Beauty, and I like the people that work there. I went to an event with them in 2019, and they just seem like really genuinely good people, you guys. Their office, I think, is in Boston, because a lot of the people that I met at that event were from Boston. I'm pretty sure their offices are in Boston, but they were just genuinely nice, good people. That doesn't always happen when you go to these brand events. I'm just saying. And they were awesome. Next up, from Caudalie. This is another brand I did a full review video on. This is one of my most popular videos on this channel. I think it almost has like 50,000 or 55,000 views. I'll link it down below. If you have a question on a Caudalie product, if it came out within like recently, because I did the video in 2020, I think. I don't know. I'll link it down below. I go through a lot of products. This one is new to me. You guys know I love Caudalie. This is their Reservatrol Lift. It is a serum, a lifting serum. Oh, it's vegan. I didn't know that. It has vegan collagen in it. It's 2 times more effective than retinol on skin firmness. I am all about anti-aging right now. I don't have many wrinkles or fine lines, and I want to keep it that way. So I've been using this, and I really have been enjoying it. I love the glass bottle. It's a really pretty pink color. Caudalie does packaging really well. Oh, it says Caudalie and Harvard University. Maybe that's where they did the testing. It says that's where they're something about the patent. That's interesting. It says it's for all skin types, and it smooths wrinkles, face and neck, 84% soft firmer skin. I haven't been putting this on my neck, and I usually do. I need to start doing that. I will update you guys on this. I've only been using it for a week now, but I really do like it. I mean, I don't have any new wrinkles, and my skin feels great. I'm a big fan of Caudalie, so I will leave a link to this down below. Thanks, Caudalie, for sending this to me. Next up, we have a bunch of products from Fresh. I have tried all of these. I've been using all of these for a very long time. I will link them down below. We have their Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. At first, I didn't want to use this when my skin was oily, but if you have oily skin, your skin still needs hydration, because if you don't hydrate it, it will become even more oily because it's not getting hydration. Fun fact, I learned that many, many years ago when I started doing facials at my esthetician, but I really do like this. And it has real rose petals in it. I'm sure I've shown you a close-up. I've talked about this with you guys many, many times, all of these products. This is one of my favorite facial cleansers, their soy face cleanser. I've turned so many people onto this. My boyfriend loves it, his sister loves it, my mom loves it. It's just a nice, gentle cleanser that hydrates the skin. I don't like this if I have a lot of makeup on though. If I do, this has to be like step 1 of cleaning my face. Actually, it's like step 2. I do a makeup removing balm, then this one, and then another cleanser. But if it's a light makeup day, I like this. And I feel like if you don't wear a ton of makeup, or if you just want something that's gentle but hydrating and feels good on the skin, you'll really like this. This is why I've turned so many people onto it. But I have noticed, like days like right now where I have on concealer, primer, powder, setting spray, this can't be my only cleanser. It's like a step in my cleansing process. But that's probably true for anyone that wears a ton of makeup. I feel like you can't just do a one-step cleansing process. Let me know in the comments down below. Like if you do all the steps I just mentioned, like primer, powder, you do layers, like you cake it on like I do. I can't just do a makeup balm, makeup removing balm, and that's it. I have to do like a balm, maybe like 2 cleansers, a toner. It's a whole process to make sure you get all this. Oh my God, that scared the crap out of me. I don't know if you guys heard that, but I had Christmas lights, don't judge. I had Christmas lights in my window in my office, and they all just fell down. Command hooks kind of suck. I keep using them to hang lights and they always fall down. Yeah, that was like God's way of telling me it's time to take your Christmas decorations down. Anyways. All right, some more Rose products. The Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. I've used this many, many times. I've talked to you guys about it many, many times. It does smell like rose though. So if you don't like scented skincare, you may not like this. It's not overpowering, but it does have a scent. It is really hydrating, and I do use it with the Rose Toner, but just FYI for me to you friends, because I know a lot of you don't like scented skincare. I don't mind it. I feel like it's unnecessary, but it doesn't bother me. It's nice. Oh, I thought this was the Kombucha Toner, which I have used many times, like 4 bottles of. This is the Kombucha Cleansing Treatment. This one I have to get back to you on. It has prebiotic inulin, pollution removal, no rinse cleanser. Really? Saturate a cotton pad, sweep over face and eyes, repeat until the cotton pad comes away clean. To remove eye makeup, hold pad over closed eyes for a few seconds and then gently wipe. No rinsing required. I'm going to have to get back to you on this. Because like I was just saying, I cake on the makeup and I can't believe you don't have to rinse this. That's interesting. I was thinking this is the Kombucha Toner, so I will let you know how that goes. I'm going to update you guys on this. Let me know if you want to see like a PR haul update after I've been using these things. Like all those other fresh products I've been using for a year. The Amorepacific stuff I've actually been using for multiple years. First Aid Beauty, Caudalie, same thing. Except that new product I've only been using for a week. But maybe we could do like an update. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you want to see more PR hauls, let me know. I feel like I don't see as many people doing them, and I love watching them. So if you want to see more, let me know. You can check out my other videos right here.